Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to remove music from Invideo. In order to do this, first of all navigate to studio.invideo.io. So log in using your user credentials and you will be on your dashboard. Simply click on create new project, or you can also open a recent project that you're working on, but I'm going to create a new. I'm going to select stock media. I'll select videos. Now we'll select this. Click on add to project, choose a dimension. Now I will be promoted to my editing section of my projects. Here you can see this is the music of this video. In this timeline, the first section is the visual and the second section is the music for this visual. If I would want to remove this music, I will have to simply left click on this green section, that is the music section, and click on this delete option at the top right corner. When I click on delete, my music will quickly disappear. And that's the simple way through which you can delete music in your Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.